Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Sheet Metal Drawings lesson. Click on New, Make Drawing from Part, and use a B-landscape sheet without sheet format. Drag the flat pattern view from the View palette and click in the Flip View option in the View's properties. Select the Rotate View command to rotate the view as indicated. Change the view's scale to 1:1. Select the view, open the sheet metal part, and edit the Flat Pattern 1 feature. Make sure the Merge Faces option is selected and click OK. Go back to the sheet metal drawing when done. Right-click on the Annotations folder and toggle the Display Annotations option on and off. Expand the Views Feature Manager and open the Flat Pattern 1 feature. Right-click in the Bend Lines sketch and hide it. Click Yes to hide the bend lines to continue. Select the Vertical Ordinate Dimension command and dimension the flat pattern as shown. If needed, change the drawing units to inches with 3 decimal places. Right-click in the dimension indicated, select Break Alignment, and then turn off the Jog Dimension option. Continue arranging the dimensions as needed. Select the Horizontal Ordinate Dimension command and add the dimensions indicated to finish the drawing. If a dimension is missing, right-click on one of the dimensions and select Add to Ordinate.